Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. We'll sort this shit out. Don't worry. Don't worry, I'll get you. This is fucked. This is gonna mind us. We're going up to sea. We're going up to sea. Oh god.
This is how you fly with a fucked up helicopter. I can almost shoot you out.
No.
See if I can hit you
Alright.
out.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the trader and then I'll meet you. Oh my god, it's not going down.
Oh, you're going down, you're going down.
Oh my god. Oh, you got it. We can fly straight at least.
Oh god. It's going to the
Oh,
right.
you're gonna wreck. Where you going? Where you going?
It's gonna mind it, so we're coming back for you. Apparently.
You're like a fucking retard.
I can't even see where I'm going.
Oh, you're gonna hit the trees. Oh, it looks straight now.
It's not. We're so gonna die. Oh god. Oh god.
I'm watching the whole thing.
Oh god.
Are you using the keyboard or your controller?
Keyboard. The fucking main, like the rotor is just fucked.
Yeah, Blaine wants to know if you're gonna be playing for a while longer, dude.
Probably an hour.
Oh yeah, I'm fixing to get off.
We're so fucked.
I'm kind of recording y'all right now.
I'm just gonna sit here, spin around, and taking the view.
I'm gonna shoot you.
I can't stop spinning now. Oh god, this is funny as fuck. Right, we're going there backwards.
You're getting out of my sight. You're out of my sight. You're gone.
Oh, this is funny as fuck. Flying sideways like a pro.
I recorded it. I have to put it on YouTube.